Hola amigos, bienvenidos. Hey guys, welcome back to the Language Tutor Spanish. I am so glad you're with me on this episode. Well, as I told you last time, we're starting a 3-episode series in past tense verbs. Well, this is the second of those 3 episodes. Now today, on this lesson, I'm going to give you 3 new verbs in the past tense. And yes, we're teaching them to you together because they are similar. Remember last time we learned hacer and venir and querer in the past tense? Well, the ones today are also similar. So here are our 3 verbs for this episode. First of all, we've got estar, to be, when it comes to how you feel or where you are or temporary conditions. That is estar. And so now we're going to be learning this in the past tense. And also we're going to be learning andar. Now, andar kind of means to go. And some people might say it means to walk, but it means to go, but it more means to kind of go about with no specific destination. Maybe, we wandered through the streets of Barcelona, for example. That's a good way to, andar is a good way to say that, okay? And then finally, we have the verb tener, which, as you know, means to have. So those are our 3 verbs for this episode. So let's put our chart up and let's pull up the verb estar, to be, and let's put it in the past tense. And again, I want to remind you that this is preterite, okay? This is preterite, so I want to make sure that you're using it in a preterite context. It happened, it was done, it was over with, okay? So the forms of estar in the past tense are going to be how you felt or where you were, in that preterite context, a specific time frame, done, over with. So I was, you were, he was, they were, stuff like that. Okay? Let's put those conjugations up right now. First of all, I was is estuve. Estuve. Now, all 3 of our verbs on this episode are going to use that you in there. So they're all, they got that andar, estar, and tener, ARs and ERs mixed together, but when we put them in the past tense, they've all got that you, okay? So estuve, and if we start applying patterns here of endings that we already know, the next one, the tu form, estuviste, estuviste, you were. Now move down, the él, ella, usted form, estuvo, estuvo. Now, up at the top right, we've got estuvimos, estuvimos. And once again, I know I always say it, but all you got to do is take the tu form, slide it over to the vosotros form, and add that is, estuvisteis, estuvisteis. And then the bottom right is going to be, you're probably guessing it already with those patterns coming to your head, estuvieron, estuvieron. All right. And there are your 6 forms of estar in the past tense. Okay, so let's go ahead and clear the chart and let's put up andar, andar, that new verb that we're just now introducing in the past tense. We wandered about the streets of Barcelona, or we traveled through Paris, seeing the sights. That might be a good way to use andar as well. All right, let's go with the yo form first. We've got anduve. Anduve. All right, now next is anduviste, anduviste, and then I know you're putting this together already. The él, ella, usted form is anduvo, anduvo. Up at the top right, anduvimos. Moving down to the vosotros form, anduvisteis, anduvisteis. Taking the anduviste, moving it over, adding the is. And then at the bottom right, as you can guess, anduvieron. Anduvieron. All right, let's get our third verb, our last one of this short lesson. We've got the verb tener now, the verb tener, which is to have. And we're going to put it in the past tense. So it would be, if you remember what I said a minute ago, you might already be saying this. Got a U in it. So, tuve, tuve. Yes, I always like to give that minute to let people process things. That mental cognitive processing is so important. All right, so tuve, Moving down to the tu form. Tuviste, tuviste. And then down on the bottom left, we have tuvo, tuvo. All right, top right, I bet you're filling these in already. Probably writing these down on the chart because, yeah, I got this. I know these. That's good, that's good. Put those patterns in. Tuvimos, tuvimos. Moving down under tuvimos, we have tuvisteis, tuvisteis. And then the bottom right, tuvieron. Ellos, ellas, ustedes tuvieron. All right, guys, there you go. There's 3 new verbs for you. I hope you were practicing the ones from last episode. And now this week, hope you're practicing these, you're bringing these into conversation. And hey, listen, check out the Language Tutor Spanish podcast. Go to iTunes, Spotify, and several other platforms and find the Language Tutor Spanish podcast and practice with me while you're driving up the road, okay? And also on the podcast, leave me a voice message. I'd love to hear from you about what got you started in Spanish, or tell me about your journey learning Spanish, or just tell me how you're doing. Tell me what the Language Tutor YouTube channel does for you, or the podcast. We just want to hear your story, okay? We want to hear what you have to say. I need to hear from you. I love it, okay? Practice, my friends, mis amigos, and I will see you very soon on the next episode of the Language Tutor Spanish. Hasta pronto. Friends, thanks for watching the Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.